Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing one dedicated notebook or app and placing it where you will see it daily. Once chosen, set a 5-10-minute window you can keep every day. Consistency beats length. Then write 3 quick prompts. 1. A factual event. 2. How you felt about it. 3. A single next action. This establishes habit and clarity. Do it now. Start with today's date and the first factual line to lock the routine into motion. Once the habit exists, deepen it by structuring each entry. Date, time, then a 1 to 2 sentence factual line. Next, label the emotion you felt and write a single, concrete action you can take, no multi-step plans. Make sure to keep entries short and truthful. Brevity preserves momentum. Every week, review the last 7 entries to spot patterns and adjust actions. This middle phase turns raw notes into insight and keeps you moving toward measurable change. To finish each session, write 1 line of gratitude or a concise lesson. This creates positive closure and neural reinforcement. If you miss a day, don't restart guilt. Spend 3 minutes catching up with bullet facts, feelings, and 1 action, then resume your schedule. Make sure to set a phone reminder at the same time daily to reduce lapses. If the habit slips, shorten the session to 2 minutes until consistency returns. Then slowly rebuild to your full 5-10-minute routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.